bell meditation. Today we're going to try a meditation that we like to call bell meditation. It's a pretty simple and quick way to try and reduce our anxiety and come home to ourselves. When we say come home to ourselves, what we're doing is taking a moment to stop all the busy thoughts in our mind, worrying about the future, thinking about the past, and just take a moment for yourself to slow down. We're going to do this by focusing all of our attention on the sound of a bell. When you hear the sound, see if you can stop any thoughts that are rushing around your mind and focus in just on the sound and the sensation of breathing in and breathing out. We're going to try this a few times. Let's see what happens. Take a moment now to notice what happened in your mind while you listened to that sound of the bell. Were you able to focus your attention, or did your mind stay very busy? It's totally okay whatever happened. The activity is just to really notice and observe what is going on in your own mind. We're going to try it again now, and this time we're going to listen to 3 sounds of the bell. And again, I'm going to invite you to try and focus all of your attention on the sound and the sensation of breathing in and out. If you notice your mind wandering away to other thoughts, try and be kind to them. Don't get annoyed, but the moment you notice, see if you can redirect all of your attention back to the sound of the bell. Okay, we're going to try again. If you'd like, you can keep your eyes open, or you can try closing them to focus even more attention on the sound. Settle your body. Notice if you need to make any adjustments to feel comfortable and at ease. And get ready, here we go. Take a moment now to notice what went on in your mind while we listened to those 3 sounds of the bell. Did your mind stay busy? Did you have any moments of calm? Just take a moment to check in with yourself and observe your mind. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes, you can stretch. Take a moment to come back to the space that you're in and continue on with your day.